Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out for Bambam, and that would have been a social media influencer. Um, Marcia is saying that from the first video that she made on her page, it was about her, Marcia. And she's calling out Miss D and telling Miss D to stop her from calling her name. She's saying that um, she's not associated with Misty, but she had given her advice in the past, and she's not running down anyone to say that she needs friends and acquaintances because she already have who she has as her friends. She's also saying that she did not come to America in when she was 8 years old, but and well, basically, she's saying that Bam Bam wouldn't have known that because she wasn't the one who filed for her. So she's getting down in that. She's also letting her know that, listen, she's an entrepreneur, I'm sorry. And she's saying that, that lady's saying that she's not working, but she's an entrepreneur. And that's a job in itself. She owns her own business, so yes, she's working. So go ahead, guys, and go catch the video and see what Marcia has to say to Bam Bam. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as more you know, Marcia has a store. Go support her store. And click on that notification bell so that when I post, you all know about it, all right? And have yourselves a lovely afternoon now.
Had, even when she had bring Julia down there to apologize and something, I talked to her about it. You can call her and ask her. I never kiss up to her, no time at all. Uno are the only blogger them and the acquaintance that ever kiss up to that girl. If I was kissing up to that girl, I wouldn't have come out and diagnose certain things and break down certain things when she do certain things. Go get a life. Go get a life, bitch. I may never come here from the 8-year-old. So stop coming on social media and talk about me coming from your 8. Me not come here from your 8-year-old. Are you file for me? Where you come? Me ask a question. Let me ask you a question like a pissing tail girl. Where you talk about over there? I come and call me worthless and this and that. Do you know what I mean? Worthless. What do you have at Jamaica? Where do you live at Jamaica? Me sure no say you no live at Mandeville. Me sure no say you no live in a Green Acres in a Spanish Town side. Me know that. You still have a look up it's a cheap ass. It decoration them a 2-piece of wall with dry like a patch can with the 2 fucking piece of cheap round frame them we have behind you. You don't even have a good hairstyle and never see a tan good yet. You're not ready. You're still calling up that woman name every day. Dana, go and tell that girl Bambam of Jamaica. Stop call you up. As long as these bloggers on social media calling up a name, to me, your name is going to call with mine. You can't come up here, compare me. You can't worship a woman that doesn't have any certain credentials and you compare it to me. You don't know what I have, bitch. You are talking about you don't come on social media and tell people your business. You ain't got shit. Me going to sit down here to the morning. You don't have money like Marcia. I'm going to sit here and tell you, bitch, you don't have enough money like me. You're worth nothing. You don't have no asset. You don't have nothing about you. You don't have nothing. When you look up, it's a old house where you sit down in a Overportmore, wherever you live. You don't have shit. I'm going to make it clear, bitch. You don't have what I have. Stop talking about my passport because your bitch ass don't have it. Bitch, do you know how many amount of people here in America who want that passport, much less a blood clot green card? Do you know how many Jamaicans sitting here? Every day you come in worrying about my passport. You the fuck you talking about I don't want to work? Me never know so me I suck your blood clot pussy and I mind your bitch. Me look like a girl with mind woman. Me look like a girl with mine, man. I'm an entrepreneur. Me have me own fucking business, bitch. Who you talking to? Me have me own fucking business. What the fuck do I need to work for when I work for myself, bitch? Where you think somehow me pay my bills and survive? Do you think I walk around and sell pussy and thief and scam people? Do you think that people are depositing money in my Cash App and Zelle to pay my fucking rent? And my car insurance and my phone bill and all what to sustain me? If I do not fucking work and have my own business, how the fuck do I pay my bills? I work in this motherfucking country for 30 odd years. So how the fuck you're gonna look at me as an entrepreneur who have my business that you see me every fucking day selling my stuff, going to shipping from one place to the other, and you little bitch ass Warren gal have the fucking nerve. Me no want work. Then how the fuck do I put roof over my head, bitch? How do I eat? Do I look like me have body and the shape and the face to go sell pussy and put on bikini if you go to the road go sell a war like a you? Bitch ass ugly girl. So everybody out there, we have a small business. Who is out there taking it one day at a time. You have the market woman. Me from me a Pitney born in Jamaica. I know some people from my district. From me born in Jamaica until now. They go to market every week. They live at Panish Town Market and Coronation Market. And send them kids grow big. And them still a go market said we. The people the guys who get up every day and push them and cart downtown. And go sell them jeans and them sneakers every day. They're called entrepreneurs. Them working every day. We are going to tell them say they want to work. Am I calling you a Jamaica and asking you for nothing, bitch? Am I calling you? What do you care about my life? And you don't have what I have. Who are you talking to? Who the fuck you talking to? You don't have no pitney, bitch. You don't have no pitney. You don't have no family. Where you take set for me for? And who plant it for me? Anybody plant it for me, you have a blood clot come off of me. Anybody that plant your little ugly ass bitch ass girl, you have to come off of me. Donna, call that bitch and tell that bitch, tap, call your name. All I do is sit down on social media and use the woman name to make content and by still there 4,000 said we. Is if I no mean I reach this so. From the first day that bitch come on social media, she advertised herself on social media with my name. To show you how you're desperate and a look blood clot money, bitch. You don't have nothing to give. That's all you come on social media with. The first fucking day you come on social media. Bad mind, Marcia. Your first video. And from that time until now, where you come on social media for if you're alright at Jamaica, if you're all that established, what the fuck you doing up here? You're talking about somebody who live in a foreign land where I get taken care of if me not have no money. You're talking to a girl in a foreign land where get free health care. Me go to all doctors in some of the most prestigious doctor office. When me get sick, me not have to bungle up in a no blood clot room with 10 somebody. Me in a one room. Me go to any doctors and dentists, everybody. I don't have to pay a one blood clot penny. And you sitting down in Jamaica talking about me? Huh? Then I go tell that bitch ass girl to stop calling him. These are the people who come on social media and keep on calling the name, and then trouble start. Them now see it like that, you know. Because they're biased. Let me make it clear to you. Dirty pussy bammy girl. Me no big friend. Me no big friend. I was the first one who block her from WhatsApp and said me no want to deal with her. Me not going to speak to her anymore. Me no big friend. I don't need to beg friend. Me have my friend them we sit down behind closed door. I mean, I talk about friends we met on social media. I talk about from Jamaica. I have the people I grew up with, CJ Godmother. I have 2 friends when they're Neddy, and I have my people them. Me and my family them is friend. We close. Me no big friend. Me no big blood clot friend. What the fuck? Big what kind of friend? You all are come and talk about how me chat bad. I must say get how me grew up in a. Me must say grew up in a foster home. You wish to blood clot. Go up on face social media. Me take the house and show to you me grew up in a. None it worth 1 million because it's renovated. When my mother sold it, it was $800,000. The first black woman to ever own a house in a Jewish neighborhood. You wish me did grow up like that. You want to know how me learn to speak Jamaican language? Because according to her, me speak me speak Jamaican language so good for somebody where grew up a foreign. You know why I speak Jamaican language so good? Because me a blood clot travel from me 16 years old. You know why me speak Jamaican language? I go to go home every summer and spend 2-3 months a country. I mean I forget my roots. Dirty blood clot girl. You can't pussy clot chat like me, bitch. I guess you now watch my show. Me can't switch up any blood clot time. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? If me switch up on your blood clot now, you don't think I'm a Jamaican. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? I don't need to come out here and speak no proper blood clot English. A Jamaican me I deal with. You can't switch up language like me. The only thing me need for learning is Spanish and French. Your pussy clot can't chat English like me when me ready. Get the fuck out of here. Show me one blogger right now who can switch up like me and talk like me. It's only few of us, Tina, Chin, and few of us can change up our language and sound different. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? I can talk like me a white, I can talk like me a British, and I can talk like a down South American. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? How me chat bad, not even a little accent me no have. Me could have never grew up in a one good home. Me must have grew up in a one faster home. You wish. Blood clot girl, me grew up good, honey. Conservative home, honey. Big and blood clot nice. 3-story house. 21 rooms. Included top and bottom. And that the house that me grew up in. You wish. You wish. You're not versatile like me. You don't have nothing to give. Leave my name alone and leave the woman name alone. And go on a back road, go sell your pussy bitch if you want some Facebook money. You're no blogger. You're a troublemaker. You're jealous of me. I'm American passport. You're jealous of me because I grew here from you're 10 years old. Or 11. You're jealous. Don't come up here, come talk about my passport. Listen, I don't care if Tina Chin never defend me. Me no want a blogger defend me. You understand me? So nobody come tell me about for them because me not defend. Me not defending nobody. Me say the only person here that can speak straight up them language good on this channel is Tina Chin and few others who can switch up them language. She not have to defend me. I don't want no blogger defend me. Me and Tina Chin is not a friend, we're acquaintances. So don't worry about that. So when you're talking about how me not speaking foreign language, what, you the rest of them speak foreign language? Then I wish blogger up here speak foreign language. Really, when in company blogging page, we live a foreign. Who is speaking foreign language? Them look like somebody that speak foreign language, you know? Your bias tough face. You see your face tough? You see your fucking face tough? From me see you look miserable, your man now fuck you good. Bitch, go find 2 dogs out the road, fuck you. You're not ready. You don't have nothing to give. Sit down in your fucking piece of hot house over Portmore, wherever you live, and leave me alone. and leave me to my life. Me no know you. You're not no kin folks to me. And that's mean you ain't no relative to me. You don't have no jurisdiction over me. You can't come and call me done, so I don't have education. Dana don't have none either. Dana don't have none either. You can't come up and come. If you want a role model, go role model for Miss Kitty. You can't come up and compare me. She not have none either. If me can't pronounce word, she can't blood clot pronounce it either. So it we don't have no degree. So when you come up here in a chat, she don't have none either. So if you want smile, if you role model, go role model for Miss Kitty. If me no admire no woman from Jamaica right now, it would be Miss Kitty, Lisa, Hannah, and them people. And them the people would have more talk about from role model for young girls, or to have to uplift. You understand? Me not have to go no further because I'm a cuss. But me say let you know. Say if me is me far from dunce and far from bright, then I far from bright and near to dunce. It's just like me. But me know me brighter than her. And me know me have more qualification than her. And me have my documentation to prove all of them. The qualification that I have to get through to in my field and what I have accomplished, me have it more. And me can back them blood clot and show you. Me not ask you. In all kind of way. Educational, certified, dignified, qualified in all kind of way. Me more. You understand? I'm me got school for them. Documentation, seal and sign. So you can't come on social media come analyze me. You have to go analyze people. You can't just left for people because of money. You have to talk about people with their qualification, and she don't have the qualification that I have. She don't. So when you're coming up here and calling people, you can't just look at people money, because I mean everybody know the money come already. But as I said, and I'm and her in a beef. Dana, you need to call that little bitch ass Bambam. You say if you know why your name for call up for whatever, you need to call that little bitch ass girl.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.